The Food Service Exchange presents.
Menu enhancement is the most active area of food service today. Every one of your clients needs to add new menu items. They need to have more customers and to have their existing customers visit more frequently. Freshening up the menu is one way to do this. When your client adds a new menu item, it often presents a ventilation challenge to handle grease-laden vapor, smoke, and odor in an effective manner. While a traditional hood with expensive ductwork is one solution, it is not possible, practical, or economical in a wide variety of situations. Alternatively, ventless hood systems that are certified to certain performance standards capture and remove grease-laden vapor, smoke, and odor from the air, along with returning it to the room itself. Equipex has created an ingenious and affordable solution, small appliance ventless hoods, or SA vents, for many countertop applications. The vents can be used with most electric countertop appliances, both top-loading, such as panini presses and induction cookers, and front-loading, such as countertop convection ovens. Other equipment applications include pizza ovens, crepe makers, toasting equipment, compact conveyor ovens, griddles, and even small fryers. SA vents are found in restaurants, cafes, bars, airports, kiosks, sports venues, and even in business and industry settings. High-rise office buildings, along with pantries in healthcare and historic buildings, are other suitable locations for Equipex ventless hoods. The SA vents add creativity and flexibility to developing a food service menu without traditional fixed hood ventilation constraints. How much noise does the SA vent generate? The SA vent operates at approximately 70 decibels, which is considered the level of conversation in a room. Generally, this level of noise fades into the background of any food service operation. All of our hoods are approved to UL and CSA safety standards and NSF sanitation standards. Our Pali and Mistral models are certified to meet the EPA 202 test method in accordance with NFPA 96 standards. This standard involves third-party testing to certify conformance with the highest grease extraction standards. SA vents are portable and can be plugged in anywhere where there is a 120-volt circuit, using very little power, truly plug-and-play. They are shipped fully assembled. They feature 3 filters, grease, particulate, and carbon, to eliminate grease-laden vapor, smoke, and odor, thereby improving the environment for the kitchen staff and patrons. The particulate and carbon filters should be replaced every 4 to 6 months, depending on the foods being cooked. The grease filter is cleanable in a dish machine or pot sink. When purchasing the SA vent, we recommend purchasing extra sets of the particulate and carbon filters to have on hand. Equipex ventless hood systems are available in 3 models: Pali, Mistral, and Kona. Pali is used for top-loading products and the only model allowing the Ansel pre-piping. Mistral is best used with front-loading appliances, and Kona is perfect for small products where height is an issue. All products are stainless steel and 120 volt. Not all ventless hoods meet this standard. In addition, specific approvals by the New York City Fire Department and the City of Los Angeles Mechanical Testing Laboratory, generally accepted throughout the state of California, have been obtained. The SA vent can be equipped with Ansel chromed plated pre-piping from the factory. When the balance of the Ansel work is performed in the field by others, the system will meet the UL 300 standard. The Equipex ventless hood system utilizes green technology. It filters existing room air and in that way minimizes additional costs of heating or air conditioning the makeup air. Many customers will inquire about the SA vent because of local health or fire department requirements. However, more than 50% of SA vent purchases are discretionary, not mandated, to improve the work environment of food service operations within a building. Furthermore, with the popularity of out-front display cooking, the SA vent solves the ventilation issue when adding cooking in view of the customer. Left and right-hand vents are available. These vents can be placed side by side to increase the capture area. Another configuration, ideal for demo or display cooking, is to place 2 hoods face to face. For more information and videos about SA vents and other equipment, please go to www.equipex.com. Our website also has links to all of our product spec sheets and even more photos and videos of the equipment in use. Small appliance vents were invented by Equipex and are all made in the USA. We have over 20 years of experience in food service solutions and are happy to answer any questions you have. Thank you.